crematorium curtains that this van has. I mean, I do think that we do need to change them. There's some decent blinds.
Steve, what is that on your face?
These are my awesome van shades. What do you think to them?
I wouldn't say awesome.
No? You don't think I need them?
No.
Let's throw them in the bin then.